Hi there and welcome to another Colourful Keys Quick Clip. This is number 39 and in these quick clips, if you're not familiar with them already, what I do is give you a little glimpse inside my teaching studio so that you can see what's going on and get some ideas for your own teaching. One of the things I like to cover in this series is improvisation because I want to inspire you to include more improvisation in your lessons. It's a regular part of my teaching, even though I'm not an expert, and I know that you can start including it too. In this video, you're going to see my student working on moving to a solo improvisation. This is For the Joy. It's from Forrest Kinney's Create First, Book 1. And she's working on getting the left hand keeping a steady rhythm. The left hand is doing crotchets in this piece. It's doing a steady beat and it needs to stay steady while the right hand improvises. That's the key to this, and I tell my students to try and just add 1 or 2 notes in the right hand as they work through this. That's the best approach so that they don't lose the left hand. That's the key thing. Keep the left hand going at all costs, even if it means you hardly play anything in the right hand. That's the approach I take anyway, to try and encourage them to get this hands together work for them. If you have a different approach, I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and if I've inspired you to start teaching improv, wonderful, let me know about that as well. While you're here, make sure you subscribe to the Colourful Keys YouTube channel, and happy teaching! You can switch to 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So I can do it whenever I want.
Yep, just switch back and forth. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's excellent. Can we add the pedal to that? Add a little bit in the right hand when you can, when you feel comfortable, okay? Yeah, so don't let the left hand stop. Keep a steady beat. Yeah, you're doing really, really well. Keep trying.